Assalamualaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Talha and welcome to my YouTube channel. Can you remember those 80-second sci-fi movies that showed life beyond the year 2001? Flying cars, self-tying shoelaces and hoverboards. Reality does not match, reality match those early predictions, yet despite a lack of flying cars technology has made life much easier in most aspects. And in 2021, these are the cool, frustrating gadgets that will make life even easier. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for our latest updates. Number 1. Bosch Visor. Bosch Visor is the modern solution to cut through the sun glare while driving. The device features AL software that tracks the facial features and project a shadow on your eyes to help you from getting blind by the sun rays. Surprisingly, the device is simple to use, requiring very little power to function. However, there is still a lot of work to be done before it will be available for use. We believe this could be tech built into every car in the future. Number 2. Air Selfie Air Pics. The Air Selfie Air Pics is your personal pocket photographer that allow you to take amazing photos and selfies without any inconvenience. This device comes with a 10 megapixel camera and 8 GB of built-in memory. It is smaller than a smartphone and lighter than a golf ball, so you can easily carry it in your pocket. With a growing trend of vlogs, this device could prove you to revolutionary in capturing amazing daily moments in new and interesting ways. The drone connects with your smart device, allowing you to transfer photos and videos instantly. The day of mini drones is upon us. Number 3. Parcel Guard. Forget mind reading and high-end displays. The Parcel Guard is modern tech that will definitely make its way to people's home in the not so distant future. If you do not already have one, with all the advancement and innovation in technology, our mailboxes were still prone. Well, they are not anymore because the Parcel Guard connect to deliveries and apps to a physical box with all the security bells and whistles to give you peace of mind. Gone are the days of needing to leave your garage or back gate open for the delivery drivers. Number 4. Samsung The Wall Micro LED TV. The Wall is a micro LED TV revolution by Samsung. It is more than a step beyond LCD and LED display technology and is a form of OLED with none of its drawbacks. Simply put, it is the future of TV. Features include double the colors of LED displays, zero reflection, modular customization that allow it to fit any space, ultra deep blacks and much more. Expect to see the wall in high-end luxury lobbies and art galleries soon. Number 5. NextMind Dev Kit. The NextMind Dev Kit is the world's first device that allows brain sensing in real time, and amazingly you can order right now. So what is it? It is a small, lightweight, wearable device that captures the brain signals from your visual cortex. It can be used with augmented or virtual reality and also in combination with a wide range of other devices. Effectively, this could be the first of many devices that reduces the input lag between human reaction and AL.